create some electrical orb effects with the flashlight. Let me show you how. You'll need a camera, a tripod, some string, a flashlight, and a dark place. For this tutorial, I'm going to be using the Ledlenser P6R Core QC. This is a focusable flashlight with 4 different colors. If you hold the back button down, you can access strobe mode. You'll find out why this is useful in just a moment. Here you can see I've cut off some string and attached it to the end of my lanyard.